Hey. My name is Catalyst, from Nigeria. Recently, people all around the world have been having issues with their Android apps not opening, and certain apps crashing every time. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix crashing apps on Android. This issue is caused by a clash of functionality between the system's app called Android System Webview and Google Chrome. This is how you solve the problem. Go to Google Play Store and search for Android System Webview. You should see two buttons here. But, it's more likely you won't see any buttons here. This is because, the functionality that Android System Webview does, is also being done by Google Chrome. Therefore, Google Chrome overrides and disables Android System Webview automatically. So, to fix this problem, we have to disable the Google Chrome browser on our device. Unfortunately, you can't disable Google Chrome if you go through the normal phone settings app. Instead, go to Google Play Store homepage. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on Help and Feedback. Under Popular Articles, click on Delete or Disable Apps on Android. Under Delete Apps that you installed, click on the first clickable link that says Tap to go to Application Settings. Next, scroll down and look for Google Chrome. Mine already says Disabled, because I disabled it before making this tutorial. Click on Chrome to open it up. Click on the Disable button on the top left of the screen to disable the Chrome browser. Click the Back button. Scroll up the apps list and find the Android System Webview app. Tap on it to open it up. Click the circular More button at the bottom of the screen. Click the Uninstall Updates option you see. Next, click on Storage. Then click on the Clear Storage option. Hit OK. At this point, the crashing problem is more than likely solved. But just do this final step to be sure. Go to your phone settings app. Scroll down till you find Apps. Tap on it. Click on the Manage Apps option, or any corresponding option for your particular device. Type Android System Webview in the search box. Select it. Then at the bottom right corner, click on Clear All Data. Then click OK. Tap on the Storage option towards the top of the screen. Click the Clear All Data at the bottom of the screen and hit OK. You've now solved the issue of your Android apps always crashing on your ass. Now, since you disabled Google Chrome, leave it that way for now, until the folks at Google fix the issue with their system. You can use other cool browsers for the meantime. Alright homies. Enjoy your day.